Tommy walks in with a smile so bright. Kitchen colors shine with light. Fruits and veggies everywhere. Cooking magic fills the air. Chef Kitchen. Cookies bake. Yummy letters Tommy makes. Sweet learning fresh from the tray. Fun in the kitchen every day. Cookies. Cupcakes lined up one by one. Counting cakes is lots of fun. Tommy smiles with happy cheer. Learning numbers crystal clear. Count cakes. Apples, bananas, oranges too. Healthy fruits for me and you. Tommy learns each fruity name. Kitchen learning is a game. Fruit fun. Rainbow pizza, round and bright. Veggie colors look just right. Tommy cooks with joyful hands. Best little chef in all the lands. Rainbow pizza. Star and circle sandwiches neat. Heart-shaped snacks are fun to eat. Tommy laughs and loves to play. Learning shapes the yummy way. Shape snacks. Red and yellow juices swirl. Colors dancing as they twirl. Tommy mixes with delight. Fruit drink shining big and bright. Juice mix. Robot chef says let's begin. Cooking fun with a happy grin. Tommy stirs and flips with care. Tasty smells float everywhere. Robot chef. Sprinkles fall in pink and blue. Candy toppings bright to view. Tommy decorates with cheer.